Libra, hi, welcome to Mr. Queen PH. At titignan natin what's coming to you in the next 7 days from the time na mapanood nyo yung reading na to, because this is a timeless reading. So anytime na mapanood nyo to, as long as makaka-resonate kayo, this reading is for you. And if you're interested in private readings, meron tayong link sa description at sa pinned comment. Paki-check nyo na lang information kung paano mag-book for a private reading. And please subscribe to our channel to show your support, like, share this video, at comment na rin kayo kung kayo ay naka-resonate. Okay, so let's see. Libra. Next 7 days, what are the energies for Libra in the next 7 days? Okay, you have the World. 2 of Cups. Nako, mukhang magkikita na kayo ng person mo. You have the 5 of Wands and the 10 of Pentacles. Okay, bottom of the deck is the 2 of Pentacles, the Death card, and the Devil. OMG. Okay. Ace of Swords. There's a communication coming in. Pwedeng meron kang importanteng taong kakausapin. This can be someone na matagal mo na hindi nakakausap. Pwedeng ito ay nasa abroad. Uuwi na siya. Pwedeng person mo to or family member, loved ones. And also a great idea. Meron kang idea ngayon na gusto mong simulan, gawin. Kaya lang yung iba sa inyo, conflicted kayo. Medyo conflicted kayo dyan. So, kailangan i-reassess nyo yung sarili nyo. What you really want. Ano yung gusto mong baguhin sa buhay nyo. Kasi in the next 7 days, merong major transformation, major change. Something is ending and something is beginning. Some of you, if you are in a situation na parang merong unhealthy relationship or kung merong toxic situation sa buhay mo, you are letting go of that. Okay? You are now facing a new chapter of your life with the World card. So, we have the 10 of Pentacles. This can be your career. You are building a very strong career. And yung finances mo rin talagang umaarangkada, no? And I think, mukhang very generous, no? And matulungin ka sa mga mahal mo sa buhay. However, kasi merong mga pagkakataon na yung bang tinutulungan mo na, ina-offeran mo na ng iyong assistance, pero kulang pa rin. Yung kumbaga yung mga ungrateful. So, maaring merong mga, maka-experience ka ng mga ganyan, ungrateful people na tinulungan mo, sinuportahan mo, pero hindi pala nila ina-appreciate yung iyong efforts. So some of you may be letting go of that, cutting off connections dito sa mga ganitong klaseng tao kasi pwedeng they are becoming part of a toxicity na sa buhay mo, no? Nagiging toxic na sila. So yung iba naman sa inyo, meron ditong meet up, no? Pwedeng you are going to meet your person, kung meron kang ka-connect long distance, magkikita na kayo, or pwedeng kahit hindi pa kayo magkita, pwedeng magpapasok na kayo sa isang seryosong relationship because you feel like it's time, no? Oras na para, pumasok sa isang commitment, no? So you may be committing yourself to a new partner or to a new relationship. Yung iba naman, this is a new project coming in. Lalo na kung meron ka nang natapos na project, tapos meron na namang kasunod, di ba? Good news yan. This can be collaboration or halimbawa nasa construction industry. Natapos na yung kontrata mo and then meron na namang bago. So you will be very busy in the next 7 days. Binabalance mo yung oras mo, panahon mo sa sarili mo, sa ibang tao, and also yung mga importante ring bagay sa buhay mo like yung career mo, yung business mo. And then, with the Death card and the Devil here, I feel like you are freeing yourself. Pinapalaya mo na yung sarili mo sa isang situation na humihila lang sa'yo pababa. Okay? So, like what I mentioned kanina, you may be cutting off connections from people na naghahatid lang ng katoksikan sa buhay mo. Okay, let's see what else. Libra. Ooh, diba? You have the star. The star is yung mga pangarap mo. Oo, ikaw ay mas nagiging seryoso na i-achieve yung mga pangarap mo. This is also about divine guidance, and you feel like you are divinely guided towards your goals, your dreams, yung mga ideas mo. Marami kang naiisip na gusto mong gawin, like yung imagination mo sobrang lakas. Dahil yan sa guidance na binibigay sa iyo ngayon ng universe. This is divine direction. So, ikaw ay nililid doon sa path na kung saan mas magiging fulfilled ka, mas magiging masaya ka, mas magiging successful ka. We have this one. So, this is about soulmates. So, yung iba sa inyo, Libra, maari talagang papasok sa isang relationship, romantic connection, or isang business partnership din. Isang commitment na talagang pareho kayo ng gusto dito sa commitment na to, na nagkakasundo kayo. So, some of you talaga, this is a romantic connection. If kayo naman ay, halimbawa, single ka, so pwedeng meron ka ma-attract na person. This can be a person na nasa ibang bansa. So, medyo malayo sa'yo tong person na to. But, definitely, magkikita rin kayo niyan in time. You have the whale. So, this is balance, no? Bringing balance into your life. I feel like mas in tune ka or connected ka sa iyong instinct, sa iyong intuition. You are becoming more open sa nararamdaman mo, mas nagiging authentic ka, mas nagiging expressive ka, and nakakatulong yan sa mga connections mo kasi mas na-attract mo yung mga tao na pareho mo ng interest, pareho ng gusto mo, 'di ba? So you are attracting those kinds of people, whether sa business man yan, friendship, or even sa romantic connection or romantic relationships. So, let's see kung ano yung energy for your money, career, finances in the next 7 days. Money, career, finances. You have the High Priestess. I feel like you are working in silence, no? Tinatrabaho mo kung ano yung dapat mong trabahuhin, asikasuhin, at hindi mo na pinapaalam sa iba kung ano yung mga plano mo, which is good. Oh, which is good. You have the Four of Cups. I feel like you've learned a lot from your past mistakes na dati lagi mo sinasabi kung ano yung plano mo sa career mo, ano yung next move mo. But this time, you are keeping it to yourself. Oh, wow. You have the Chariot. So, this is like a guarantee sa'yo na mas napoproteksyonan mo yung iyong pangarap, yung mga goals mo sa buhay dahil sa pananahimik mo or dahil sa mas nagpo-focus ka on learning, improving yourself kasi nare-realize mo kung ano yung kailangan mong ayusin or improve sa sarili mo. You're becoming a better version of yourself. At dahil dyan, mas focus ka sa goal mo, you are keeping your eye on the prize. And then, for your love life, tanan natin, you have the World. Oh my God. The Mobile in the World. Long distance relationship talaga to yung iba sa inyo, or you are dealing with someone na foreigner, or merong certain distance between the two of you. You have the Four of Pentacles. So, this is a very stable relationship, very stable connection. Ipagpatuloy nyo lang kung ano yung mga bagay na nag-work para sa inyong relationship. Dahil nakikita ko na mas magtatagal pa itong relationship ninyo. And this can be, pwede itong maging sobrang seryoso. To the point na maaring ikaw ay magpapakasal or you will have kids with this person. So, if you're single and connecting with someone, pero kung ikaw ay in a relationship na, I see a very strong relationship between the two of you. Meron kayong strong na bond together na yan yung superpower ninyong dalawa. Kumbaga, you are unbeatable dahil sa inyong pagkakaisa. No? Sight. Detach your emotions from situations that you cannot control. Yes. So, may mga bagay na hindi tayo kontrolado. At kung ipipilit natin yung mga bagay na yun, mapufrustrate lang tayo, diba? So, focus on the things that you can control and let go, surrender yung mga hindi. Kasi alam naman natin wala tayong magagawa dyan. But focus on what you can do better and what you can improve with your life. Okay? Ayan. So, that is your reading, Libra, and I will see you again. Bye.